want to propose an idea of improving sea defences in order to tackle the challenges of climate change. This can only work with your investment and will help 75% of the world live in peace without the worries of inundation. Sea levels are rising at double the rate predicted 2 years ago. This is a subproduct of climate change. It's happening everywhere, and if it isn't stopped, we risk losing the land where 3/4 of the world live on. Because levels are rising at such a huge rate, coastal settlements are starting to become under threat. We have to improve our sea defences in order to save these people. In New York City, hurricanes have shown what could happen to Manhattan, how it could become an island and potentially be completely flooded, and these risks will only become more severe. On British coast, we are seeing mass erosion, which is eating up land and has forced many people to move, showing poor sea defences is not just a problem in LICs. In Oceania, we have seen countless times in the monsoon season where sea levels rise temporarily, that it floods islands for months on end. By 2050, population and economic hubs such as New York City, Miami, Mumbai, Kolkata, Guangzhou, and London are likely to be part of the sea. It is happening everywhere and must be addressed immediately. There are different methods of sea defense depending on the situation. For coastal cities without a beach, like New York and Singapore, a seawall, which is a solid long-term solution, is worth its weight in gold to the coastal population under threat. Riprap is a solution to the coastal erosion problems of Europe. Harbour gates can help support industrially important harbours, such as that in Guangzhou and Singapore. Flood barriers in India and Bangladesh would help stop the death toll that has been increasing since people have settled on those lands. With $1 billion, we can supply New York City with sustainable long-term seawalls, Bangladesh and India with effective flood defences, and an emergency aid service around the world. We can finally start saving the lives of 5.5 billion people who live by the coast. Thank you for listening.